The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here in the University of Delhi, the vacancies are announced based upon the AdHub. So it is a website, and I'm providing this link in the description box of this video. So after clicking on that link, then you will be directed to this official webpage of the University of Delhi, and you can check down here. The few vacancies are announced from the departments like the Anthropology, Electronic Science and Education. And coming to the education, the online interview and the advertisement is there, and advertisement for the post of University Librarian. Okay, and important notification regarding the screening status for the post of Assistant Professor in Lakshmi Bai College, and the notice of regarding the postpone of interview for the post of Finance Officer, and in the same way the important notification regarding the screening test for the post of Assistant Professor in History. So up to here, so from top to Aryabhatta College, so all these vacancies are there. So if you want to check the details, then just click on the individual department, then you will be directed like this. So it is a Department of Anthropology, and click on the advertisement, then the details you are going to see here. The applications are invited from the eligible candidates along with self-attested testimonials for filling up of 6 vacant positions of the guest faculty. So those 6 positions here, based upon the caste category, the number of vacancies are divided. So the total 6 number of vacancies are there, and the qualification required are good academic record as defined by the university with at least a 55% of marks at the master's degree level in a relevant subject from an Indian university, or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. So besides this one, the candidate must have the net qualification must be there. Fine. So how to apply means, applications with passport size photograph on prescribed format, starting qualifications 12th standard onwards, can be submitted electronically latest by 2nd August 2020. And the candidates can send their duly filled application to this mail ID. The online interview will be held on 4th August 2020 at 11 a.m. The online link will be sent to the eligible candidates through email. So these are the details, how to apply and how many number of vacancies are there, and what are the qualifications required for the Department of Anthropology. In the same case, if you belongs to the Electronic Science, then you may check the vacancies regarding this one. So these are all the guest faculty, guys. So click on the advertisement, then the details you can check. The invitation of application for the appointment of post of guest faculty in the Department of Electronic Science. So here the qualification required, that means the applications are invited for the category of guest faculty to teach MTech Microwave Engineering and MSc Electronic courses in the Department of Electronic Science. And the candidates on the ad hoc panel of the Department of Electronic Science, the candidate should submit his or her biodata along with the all necessary documents at the email ID given below. So there is no application fee, and the retired faculty from the department interested in assisting in the teaching of department may provide a brief curriculum vitae for considering the selection committee. So the interested candidates should apply through the email by 4th August 2020. Fine. So these are the details, guys. So if you want to check the further more details regarding if you belongs to these departments, then kindly go to the link that I am providing in the description box of this video. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.